Here we have a Stihl FS45 cracked fuel tank. We'll go ahead and get this replaced. So here we got the Stihl. This is the replacement fuel tank. It's got one bolt that holds it in, two rubber dowels on this side, and one on this side that hold it together. What you're going to need to do is remove these three screws on the pull start assembly. That one screw right there that holds the tank, and then it should pop right out. Disconnect your two fuel lines, and it'll come right out. Let's go ahead and get started. Torque screw, I think, or torque T25. That's usually what I use for everything. Screw one. Screw two. Screw three. This should come out. See, it already pops out. And then I'll show you. So now that that's out, you might have to take the air filter cover off. Yeah. To get to the fuel lines. Just grab your needle nose. There's one. There's two. And it comes out. This is the like the other keeper that it has. Take this. Pop this out. This is the old one. It's got a crack right here. It's got a couple of small ones. So this is a new fuel line, and the new tank comes with a new fuel line and filter already. So it goes in this way, like this. Tighten that back up. Spin it around. These are the little rubber dowels that hold everything in. So when you put it back together, this will sit in there like that. So put it back in. That's in there. That plastic piece is sitting good there.